welcome back to my channel today. We are here for some more Kalyss drip, y'all. Yes, we gonna hop right into it. So this is the Kalyss 28-inch Swiss lace front with baby hairs, and this one is the deep wavy curl. She is a synthetic unit, and it does have a 4-inch deep parting space area, which I'm gonna show you now. So there's our parting space area. Really good. Can use a little bit of plucking, but it looks really good. So this is our cap construction. There are actually 3 combs. I forgot to mention the one in the middle. I missed that. But so 3 combs up front. There's a comb in the back, and there's also adjustable straps. And she is stretchy, so I do think that she is big head friendly. And she does come with baby hair, so I'm showing you that. And the hair is really soft, you guys. It's very soft, very pretty. Yes. So this is when I noticed that I forgot that extra comb in the middle. So again, you get 3 combs up there and a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Alright, y'all. Let's hop her on and see what we're working with. Ooh. Okay. Yes. This is pretty. So I'm just adjusting that lace on the side, and it's good ear to ear. They didn't do a lot of lace around the ear, which I like. So that's perfect. Yes, the lace looks really good. The wig is really pretty, and it's so soft, you guys. I'm just adjusting the lace on that other part of my ear just to make sure that I got it right. This looks so pretty. Very different from their braided wigs. Yes, something different. She is sexy, y'all. Alright, so let me turn around for you guys so you guys can see the back. It's very pretty. I kept touching it because for some reason it didn't feel full, but it is very full. It just doesn't feel that way, if that makes any sense. Let's hop into it.
Hi my sweets, welcome back to my channel today. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Yes, subscribe, getting bigger, and blessings. Shout out to all my people that's been rocking with me, and shout out to the people who clicked on this thumbnail. Go ahead and think about subscribing and hitting that notification bell. So today we're back with some more Kalyss drip, y'all. Okay, but this is a synthetic unit instead of a braided unit. Now, I did previously do a braided unit about a week or so ago. I'll leave a card up here for you to go and see that. It's kind of similar with the way the wave pattern is, but just not braided at all. And this one is so pretty. I'm in love with this one too. Now, y'all know I tell you if I'm like, It's so pretty and versatile. I've been playing with it, trying to see like, okay, honey, yes, that's cute. It's so cute. It's so soft. And honey, I think the more you play with it, the bigger it gets. So if you like big hair, this is going to be a banger for you. So as usual, I'll put like a little side to side so you can see more of the hair. But this one right here, now this I'm saying this from the website, and I got this from Amazon. Okay, I didn't get this from their website. I got it from Amazon. Honey, $40. Okay, and they do have other colors. So of course this one is the natural black. They got a black and blonde. Then they got an ash blonde, an ombre blonde, a platinum blonde. Then they got the mixed with wine. Now that's the one I think I want to go back and get and try, because that one looks really pretty. But this one is the 28-inch Swiss lace front wig with baby hairs. It does have baby hairs. I didn't really use a lot of the baby hairs because I didn't feel like it needed it. It is a deep wavy curl, as I was saying, and it is synthetic, and it has the deep side part. Now the parting space is good. It looks good. It looks very natural. Now the lace on here was very light, as you seen in the beginning. So I had to do a lot of finagling and trying to put enough powder and not putting too much powder. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer. It looks a little bit better than what it looked like before, but just make sure that you put enough powder on there. If you're a chocolate sister like me, you're gonna have to add a little bit more powder. The cap circumference is about 21.5 to 22, And then, like I said, the length is 28. The density is 130. I kind of, like in the beginning, I kept feeling the back of my head. I was like, that don't feel thick enough. But it really is thick enough. And then when you see when I turn around the back, there's no gaps. You can't see nothing. So, I mean, I wanted to see what this looked like. Being like a headband wig and putting like a headband on with her. You know, something really cute. I think I'm going to do that for you guys. Just to kind of see what she looks like. Let's do that. Okay, here's me with my headband on, wearing it as a headband wig. Okay, very versatile. Yes, okay. Still got my little parting space, all that. Yes. Come through. Yes, this wig is very pretty, you guys. I think you will love this. And she got different colors. Okay, honey, pick up one in every color. I do have an actual headband wig that I've been kind of sitting on. I did the review a while ago, but I just been sitting on it for a minute because I'm just not... I haven't found a lot of the headband wigs that I like, because honey, I'm spending my own coin, okay? I'm not going to be just buying something that everybody else is like, oh yeah, girl, go buy it. Oh, hell no. If it ain't cute, I ain't buying it. So that is it today, my loves. Like I said, I've been watching my analytics and it seemed like you guys want to kind of get straight to the point. So that's why I'm not going through showing you how I pluck and part and take off the lace and all of that. You can see that in some of my older videos. So, or if you do like that stuff, then leave a comment below and let me know. And tell you guys, say that you're not feeling the way that I am doing the videos now. I'm going to continue doing it this way because that's what YouTube is saying that you guys like. So that's what I'm going to give you. All right, you guys, I have some more wigs coming. I hope you guys continue to watch my channel. And like I said, for those who clicked on the thumbnail, I hope you think about subscribing. And until next time, my loves, bye.